Okay, we are looking at the sum of a geometric sequence and series. Okay, we have the question here. But before we start the question, let's lay the foundation to these aspects. What is the formula to geometrical sequences and series? Okay, we have this one times 1 minus this over 1 minus r. Okay, so this is a case when when the common ratio is less 1. So that's the case 1. That's one formula. Okay, the second formula is this the first time times the common ratio to power n minus 1 all over the common ratio minus 1. Okay, and this is the case when the common ratio is greater than 1. So these are the two formula for sum of geometric sequence or series. We are told to find the sum of the following geometric series. Find the sum of the following geometric series, and then to 3 decimal places if necessary. Okay, look at the series we have. We have the first one. We have 1 plus 2 plus 4, and then plus 8, and then it goes on like that until the 8 tens. Okay, so what we're going to do is to begin to state the parameters. The first time, that's a, is 1. Being told is a geometrical series. We need to get the common ratio, which is the second time over first time, and at the same time it must equal to the third time over the second tens. So this is 2. Okay, so this is greater than 1. So that will make us to use this formula for the sum to 8 tenths. Okay, and that will be equal to what? A times this one, okay, minus 1, and then begin to make your substitution. So we're going to have the first time is what? Is 1. The common ratio is 2 to power 8 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So it's giving us 2 to power 8 minus 1 over 1. So 256. So 256 minus 1, and that's 255. So for that one. Okay. Please invite your friends, call someone, and let that person also call another person. Okay. If you are fresh on this channel, you are coming here for the first time, click on the subscribe button so that you can keep tracks of the update of this channel. Okay, begin to do that right now. Thank you for doing until the 10th. Okay, so the sum of the geometric series, the formula is this. But before we can know which one to use, we need to get the common ratio. The common ratio is the second time over the first time, which must also equal to the third time over the second time. And this is 1 over 2. So we're going to apply this one. So this is for r less 1. The common ratio is less 1. So this is the formula we're going to apply. So, and to tenths. So that will be this. The first time is what? Is 32 times 1 minus the common ratio is half. Okay, half to power the n is 10. N is 10. So 1 over 2 to power 10 okay, all over r minus 1 minus r, 1 minus half. Okay, so that's what we have in that case. So I'm going just point your calculator, put all this one in your calculator, and get the answer. You're going to share the links of this video across your social media platform. Call someone and let such person also call another person. Okay, let's begin to do that right now. Thank you. If you check the C parts, you don't know uh, the the numbers of tens, but we know the last 10. Okay, the first question here is infinite sequence. The sequence does not has an end. Likewise, the B part, but the C part is a finite sequence. It's a finite series. Series is 729. 729 is the first 10. So A is 729. The common ratio, I'm here. The common